Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn everyday filler words in Levantine Arabic that you must know to sound like a native Arabic speaker. I previously did a video on filler words and you all seem to love it. So here we are with a part 2. Get ready to learn more filler words like although, for sure, anyway, and more. This will help your colloquial speech sound more natural. We'll introduce and go through the filler words first, followed by example sentences. You can find the corresponding PDF with the words and example sentences in the Shami Speaker Store, which will be linked here and in the description box. Let's get started. First up, we have walau. This means, oh, come on. Walau. It's an expression of disbelief, surprise, or affection. You can use it when someone cuts you off in traffic to express shock at their impatience, or you can also use it to say, oh, come on, of course I would do that for you. So as you can see, it's very versatile. Next up, we have طيب, which means okay or well. طيب. It's used to transition or agree mildly. It's very similar to okay. Also, a fun fact about the word طيب is it means delicious or tasty in terms of food. طبعا. This means of course. طبعا. It's used as an affirmation or agreement. Here we have another similar word, أكيد. It means definitely or for sure. أكيد. And this one is a strong affirmation. It's a little bit stronger than saying طبعا. Here is a very commonly used word and it also has multiple meanings. معلش. It means it's okay, or it can also be used to ask if something is okay. معلش. So it's used to excuse or comfort someone. It can also be used to ask if something is permissible. Here's a really fun one. If you use this word, I promise you will sound very native. The word is smallah. It means God protect them, her, him, etc. Smallah. It's used to ward off envy or jinx. It can also be used in a sarcastic manner to mean, wow, how impressive, when someone is clearly exaggerating or trying too hard to show off. Next up we have lawesh, which means why. Lawesh. It's used to question something in an often rhetorical, dismissive, or mildly confrontational tone. lawesh. مع إنه. This means even though or although, and it's comprised of two words, مع, which usually means with, but here it means even, and إنه, which means that, in this case has a meaning similar to though. So once again, it's مع إنه, and it's used to express contrast. This is another fun one. It's pronounced min marra, which means at all or not even a little. Min marra. Again, this one is comprised of two words. Min usually means from, but in this case it's taking on more of an intensifying meaning to mean not, and marra means once. So not once or not at all. So min marra is used to strongly emphasize negation or to say something didn't happen or doesn't exist whatsoever. For instance, saying, he didn't talk to me at all. كأنه. This means as if or it seems. كأنه. It's used to express speculation or uncertainty. أصلا. This means anyway or in the first place. أصلا. It's used to indicate something was already the case. بالله شو. This means seriously, no way, or excuse me. بالله شو. Depending on the tone, it can be used to express surprise or disbelief. If it's said in a sarcastic tone, it can be used to fake importance or say, excuse me, in a sarcastic manner. Then we have وحياة Allah. which means I swear to God. The first part, وحياة, means by life, and Allah means God. The literal meaning is by God's life. It's used to swear by God and emphasize that you're telling the truth. Similarly, in English, it can also be used to express disbelief, like saying, really? وحياة Allah. And if you're interested in getting one-on-one tutoring in a specific dialect, I highly recommend the platform italki. It's a game changer. They have an extensive network of online tutors who are native speakers in various Arabic dialects. You can set up your own schedule and personalize your goals for an affordable price. You can set up as many or as little lessons as you want. Use the link displayed here and you'll get $10 after your first purchase. I'll also have the link in the description box. If you do end up using it, leave a comment below describing your experience and what you learned. Alright, let's put these filler words into sentences so you can get an idea of how to use them. Remember that some of the filler words can have different meanings, so these sentences will just be a sample of how you can use them, but there are many other ways to use them. Oh, come on, what are you saying? ولو شو هالحكي? Our filler word here is ولو, and it means, oh, come on. Shu means what, and hal-haki means this speech, but in English it makes more sense to say, what are you saying? ولو شو هالحكي? Okay, let's get started. طيب, خلينا نبلش. طيب is the filler word. It means okay. خلينا means let's. نبلش means get started. طيب, خلينا نبلش. Of course I'm coming with you. طبعاً راح آجي معك. The filler word is طبعاً and it means of course. راح آجي means I'm coming and معك means with you and is addressed to a male. طبعاً راح آجي معك. Of course I'll be there before 5 o'clock. أكيد بكون هناك قبل الساعة 5. أكيد is the filler word here and it means of course or definitely. بكون means I'll be. هناك means there. قبل means before. الساعة means the time. And 5 means 5. أكيد بكون هناك قبل الساعة 5. Is it okay if I talk to you later? معلش أحكي معك بعدين. معلش is the filler word, and here it means, is it okay? So we're asking for permission here. أحكي means I talk. معك means with you. بعدين means later. And this sentence is addressed to a male. معلش أحكي معك بعدين. God protect their beauty. اسم الله على هالجمال. Smalla means God protect, and it's the filler word we're using. Ala means on, and hal jamal means this beauty, but here we're using it to mean their beauty. Smalla ala hal jamal. Why all this worry? لويش كل هالقلق? Lawesh is the filler word and it means why. As I mentioned before, lawesh does mean why, but it's often used to mean why in a rhetorical, dismissive, or confrontational tone. And here, although the question is why all this worry, it's being asked in a dismissive or condescending way. Let's see what the next part of the sentence means. So kul means all, and hal'ala means this worry. And just want to note that the qafs here are being replaced with a hamza or glottal stop sound, which is common in a lot of Levantine dialects. لويش كل هالقلق? He came even though he's tired. إجا مع إنه تعبان. إجا means he came. Then we have our filler word مع إنه, which means even though, and تعبان means he's tired. إجا مع إنه تعبان. She didn't talk to me at all. ما حكت معي من مرة. ما is a negator word, so here it's taking on the function of didn't. حكت means she talked. معي means with me. And min مرة is the filler word, and it means at all. ما حكت معي من مرة. It seems like he doesn't understand us. كأنه مش فاهم علينا. كأنه is the filler word and it means it seems like. مش is a negator word and here it's functioning as doesn't. فاهم means he understands and علينا means on us. كأنه مش فاهم علينا. Ooh, here we have a little bit of a meaner sentence. So it's no one asked you for your opinion in the first place. ما حدا طلب رأيك أصلا. ما حدا means no one. طلب means asked or requested. رأيك means your opinion, and this is the opinion of a male person. أصلا is the filler word and it means in the first place. ما حدا طلب رأيك أصلا. The tone of this sentence is going to be sarcastic, so it's no way, you're an expert now? بالله شو صرت خبير. So the filler word here is بالله شو and it means no way. Here it's used in a sarcastic manner to feign surprise. صرت means you are and خبير means an expert. And this is addressed to a male, by the way. بالله شو صرت خبير. I swear to God I didn't lie. وحياة الله ما كذبت. The filler word here is وحياة Allah, which means I swear to God. ما is a negator word, so here's functioning as didn't, and كذبت means I lied. I want to point out here that كذبت is spelt with the letter ذال, but in some Levantine dialects, we replace that with the letter ز. So instead of saying كذبت, we say كذبت. وحياة الله ما كذبت. And that wraps up part 2 of everyday filler words in Levantine Arabic. I hope you benefited from this video and you enjoyed it. And don't forget to get your corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store. And I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة.